Hello Crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. Picked up a few goodies and wanted to jump right in and share with you, so let's get started. Alright, so I found this paper kit by My Mind's Eye. It was $2.49 and it's absolutely adorable. It comes with this sticker sheet, which is really cute, and then it comes with these coordinating papers that are double-sided, and they're absolutely adorable. I'll go through them really quick. But really pretty, and I love this paper. It's really good quality cardstock. It's actually a heavier weight cardstock, which I absolutely love. It's perfect for gift boxes and treats and stuff like that. So really fun find there. Moving along, I found this vinyl, which I thought was really cool. This is clear printable vinyl. And what you can do is if you have digital kits, you can actually print on this vinyl, clear vinyl, and it actually creates a sticker, which is absolutely awesome. So I thought I would give this a try. This is what the back looks like, and I'm sorry for the glare. And there's the price. I'll open it up and show you. I was trying it out, and for whatever reason, my printer, I don't know why it printed it like this. It printed it absolutely super small, but this is like an old Gossamer Blue digital kit that I had from a long time ago. And so this is what it looks like. So it actually does work. And then, you know, you can cut it apart on your Brother Scan and Cut or your Silhouette or Cricut machine, and it actually creates a sticker, which is a vinyl sticker, which I thought was absolutely awesome. So I thought this was a great find and a fun little item to have in my stash. So I picked that up. Moving along, I did find some cardstock, and this is the Nina cardstock. It's 65-pound weight. You get 10 sheets. And I picked this up. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it is it's a white gold, and I thought this would be fun for Halloween to cut out some ghosts. Obviously, you could use it for Christmas and snow and stuff like that, but I thought that was a fun find there. I did pick up one of these paper pads, and I have picked this up before. This was actually sold at the Target dollar spot, but now it's at Tuesday morning. Anyway, it's a really cute foil cardstock pad, and it was a great price, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I just love the colors. It's really pretty, and you can always use this in projects or gift it, so adorable. And then I finally scored on the Maggie Holmes. I finally got some Maggie Holmes goodies. So I got some of the embellishments to go with the carousel collection. So I picked up this one right here. It comes with the pom-poms, the stars, and the sequins. Really cute. I did pick up the Good Vibes. It came with these, it has these frames, which are absolutely adorable. I picked up the Good Vibes ephemera kit, which is awesome. It has several pieces in here that you can play with. I picked up the paper, and I can't wait to make something. I think I might do like some type of mini album with this. I'm not really sure, but I just thought that was really cute, so I picked that up. I also found some stickers, and I believe this goes with the carousel collection, and I did pick up the carousel paper a while ago, so now I have some of the embellishments to go with that paper, so I'm excited about that. And then I did pick up this sticker sheet as well, and it goes with that Good Vibes collection, and you get all these stickers right here, front and back. So I was really happy to find, like, almost, I feel like a complete collection. I don't know what else is missing, but thought that was fun. And then I found these stickers, and these are Maggie Holmes, and they go with the carousel collection. Really pretty, and there's 3 sheets of stickers, so you get that, and then you get the alphas on the back. So really pretty. So happy to have some stuff to go with that paper collection. And then I did get one chipboard 12 by 12 sheet, and this is for the carousel collection, and I'm really happy I found that. And you got a lot of cute chipboard pieces, and so now I have something to go with that carousel paper. So I'm excited about those fun finds. That is my quick haul for you today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.